Hi friends, in this video I am going to show you how to reset TP-Link Wi-Fi router to factory default settings. You can reset TP-Link router in two ways. The first step is on the TP-Link router you will find reset button. You need to press and hold on the reset button. After a few seconds it will reset to factory default settings. Now coming to the second way, open your browser on your system or laptop and go to this link 192.168.0.1. I will give these links in the description box. Now you will be redirected to TP-Link admin page. Make sure that you are connected to your router via LAN cable. Here you can see that I have connected my laptop via LAN. And after that you need to enter the username and password. The username is admin and the password is admin. And after that click on login. Once you have logged in, the user interface looks like this. If you are using the latest TP-Link routers, the user interface might be a little different. And from the left side menu at the bottom you will have an option called as system tools. Click on that. Under system tools there is an option called as factory defaults. Click on that and simply click on restore. It will give you a message. Any settings you have saved will be lost if you restore factory default settings. Are you sure to continue? Click on OK. You can see the message factory settings restored successfully. Now your router is restarting. After restart, you will be logged out. You need to log in again using the username and password. As I said previously, the default username is admin and the password is admin. Enter that and click on login. Since we have restored the router to factory default settings, you have to set up again. Click on next. Under wireless network name, give any name of your choice. Here you can see that I have given the name as Naiwik Tech. It is also called as SSID. And after that, set the password of your choice and click on next. Now you will get a message. The basic internet and wireless settings are finished. Please click finish button and test your internet connection. Click on finish. Now let's test the internet connection. Let's open any website. Let's search anything. Here you can see that the net is back. So that's it guys. In this way you can reset TP-Link wireless router. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.